up, y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. I just wanted to give y'all a quick little spill on this hair so that I don't have to do a lot of voiceovers. But in this video, I am going to be reviewing this hair from African Mall. The hair that I have in right now is going to be 3 bundles in a closure, a 4x4 closure, because as you all know, there's so many different closures going around. We have the 5x5 nows, we have the 6x6, 7x7s, and I've even seen some 8x8s. So the closure that I do have in is going to be a 4x4 closure. I do have in 3 bundles of 18-inch and then as well as an 18-inch closure. The texture of this hair is going to be Brazilian curly, and right now on their website, I'm going to give you the price that they have the hair listed on their website. One second. So this hair is going to run you about $250 right now on their website. I am so in love with this curly hair that I received from African Mall. As you can see, I'm also going to show you in this video how flawless these curls are. Like, I am absolutely in love, and they're so, the curls, they're so bouncy, they're so juicy, they're not hard, they're soft. Even though I did put a little bit of product on it, they're extremely soft. Just as easy hair to work with. As you can see, this is what we are working with. Absolutely in love. Like I said, I could take this wig on and off, completely glueless. Absolutely love it. And as you can see, the bundles are extremely full. I do make sewing machine custom wigs, so if you would like for me to make you a wig like the one you see here, completely glueless, the way that I make my wigs, I bleach the knots. I do pluck a little bit if need be. It just depends on what type of hair you're going to be using. I will pluck it. And I also sew an elastic band in. For this, I don't need an elastic band because, like I said, I make custom made wigs. So I do make them to the circumference of your head. So pretty much you can just put them on and take them off without any worries because they fit your head. If you are interested in my custom machine made wig services, then please let me know. If not, down in the comment section below, and I'll leave you my email address. Because of everything that is going on right now, the coronavirus, the Rona, is so much going on. I was supposed to be launching my website. I was supposed to be launching my website a few weeks ago, but because of everything that's going on, I'm going to wait to launch. Well, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Also, I'm going to put all of African Mall's information down in the description box below so you can check their website out so you can get you some affordable bundles. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. But yeah, this is what we're working with.